studying 7th standard. This is my first creative idea of flight ticket booking. First, we will click the screen. It asks enter your name and ask your phone number and click get OTP and your number will receive here. Just copy that OTP and click in get OTP. Suppose I have booked an incorrect OTP, it shows incorrect OTP. And it shows a default advertisement. To understand that usually person advertisement. Your name will receive here. It asks your original city and destination city. I will keep notification. Departure date and arrival date. I want business class, so I book or economy or premium economy. So let's create this ticket booking app. We will split this part into two. First designing, second coding. Open app lab in code.org and go to designs and first clicking area 51. You can choose any other color and upload files. I send it in the description link for this picture and screen 2 a label that shows welcome and keep it here and the text input and then another text input and a button. This button get OTP. OTP. This button ID is get OTP 1. And the text input 1 enter your name enter your what and in the text input 2 enter your phone number. Simply put NO dot and screen 3 place a label and OTP has been sent to that phone number. And I am keeping this font size 18 in center a little bit larger. This is fine, and take another label and see the label 2 width, which is 220, label 3 width 220, and keep it here. On this label 3 is ID is label 3 ID is number receiver. One. And place text area. This text area, I'm keeping this in center. Font size, I'm keeping it very large. It's too larger. This is enough, I think so. And place a button. I think it is very too large. Okay, this is okay. And button to input OTP. And button to ID is input OTP 1. Screen 4. Place a text input box. The text input box. Enter OTP and place a button and login. This button 3 ID is login 1 and place a label. This label shows if you enter an incorrect OTP. Incorrect OTP. I'm keeping center text color red I'm keeping this in red color. You keep it in any other color. And the font size, keeping big. That's all. And screen number 5, select and display sales image. And this is a sales image. Take a label and place it to understand the user. This is a default advertisement. Uh, and keep it in a little bigger to understand the user. This is advertisement and place a button and border radius 3 is okay, and text is capital, right? And button ID, wrong button 1. And font size bigger, border 3 is okay, and screen 6 is text input. First of all, we place a label. This label shows our name, high width, okay, this width, and text input 4 is origin city, and text input 5 is departure city, but departure city, and text input 6 sorry, origin city. Wait a second. I'm very sorry. This is departure city, not destination city. I'm very sorry for this. And text input 6, departure date, and place another text input box. This is arrival date. Arrival date and arrival date and place an radio button. Okay, and two more duplicates. Place it one by one. With exposition is 90. All are in same line. And place and label and text label 7 economy and another label premium economy and then another label business class. This text alignment in left, leave it, and font size we keep it in 16 is better. And okay, all are good. And radio button 1 ID is R1 because to understand it is easy. R and to type it was very easy. Okay, sorry. It check and radio button 2 is R2 and radio button 3 is R3 and screen 7 the label that with test it. And text input which is 170 and height is 25 and duplicate for 3 more times. Place it here and place it another one here. Place it here and place it here. Take this text and place an image This is enough and place and label it shows have a nice journey. Have a nice journey. Simply copy it on font size 20. For this image, um, uploading economy because this is an economic. Sorry, this is very sorry. Um, yes, yes, economy and place a button. In screen 6, we want to place a button and button 6 is book. This button 6 ID book 1. Screen 7 is finished. Now screen 8. There is a label. Width is 170. Height is 25. And 3 more to duplicate. Okay. And place an image. It's an image. Oh, I forgot to take the stick. And this label 19. Have a nice journey. System center 20 and image is and choose this image, this is not this image, and place a button back. And the last screen, place a label, take the text, and the width is and the width is 170 and the height is 25, and click 3 more duplicates and place like this, and place a label 24, and have a nice journey. Font size is 20, place it here, and image, and place a button, this button is also back, and choose an image, and choose. That's all, this video is over. We will see in next part. Bye bye.